To reply to a got an important meeting and cannot attend, go to the channel that your message has to be sent or you will have to reply. You can simply tap on the message over there. You can see tomorrow's meeting. If you are going, then you can always react to it by sending a thumbs up like this. If you are not, and then over here at the bottom you can see add a reply. Simply tap on it and write your message, then also send to marketing. You want to send it to the channel or a particular person only, then simply tap on send. Like this you can reply to a message from your bot. You can reply to threads as well. Like this you can send messages. You can even forward this message. You don't have to wait for others to reply. You can simply reply to them personally like this.